friend. When you say he's just a friend, oh baby, pew, you got what I need. I just want to say thank you all for being out here. This is like, you know, like this is just beautiful, man. I'm sorry.
Take a look at what you see. Let me know if this right here is something you can have for years.
Now, Mace be the man, wanna see you doing good. I don't wanna get rich, leave you in the hood. Girl, in my eyes, you the baddest. The beat looking at shot out in the 600, ain't no smoke.
I go by the name of Everywhere. I'm straight out of Fresno, California. I'm out here tonight performing my hit record catalog. Been featured on major blog sites, radio stations, multiple thousands of views. Check me out if you don't know. Got my man Dominus Dizzy. This some new age shit. This is Fresno. I'm from Fresno. He's from Fresno. This some Fresno shit. Check us out, please. Check us out. Stop that.
Y'all can't mess with the catalog. Way too busy, I cannot talk. On your record, you cap a lot. With the studio, I gas the spot. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. This our time, you can't belong. And it's my words, they rapping songs. And it's my dirt, you try to stop. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. I'm not impressed by many thoughts. It's on my chest, gotta get it off. Swear we the best, but the place is on. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. We running this music, you had a job. You running boy, I have a job. I'm with my boys, we know facades.
Check me out, look. Hey, my body and words speak for itself. Call me a jerk, handing it out. But I deserve for what no bill. On this earth, my name is Bill. With a new verse, give ourselves. With a new verses, for myself. Give me the curse, I do all deals. Hey, look, take the track record on rap. Better than these cat members on that letter. My stack cheddar, they sleeping on me. Storm of Z's at the last letter. You ain't fashion, my swag's fresher. Can't stand pressure. I'm a like that letter, like I have feathers, cause I'm that fly. This vibe is a man's pleasure. Tioga Sequoia.
Y'all can't mess with the catalog. Way too busy, I cannot talk. On your record, you cap a lot. With the studio, I cast the spot. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. And this our time, you can't belong. And it's my words, they rapping songs. And that's my dirt, you try to stop. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. I'm not impressed by 100 thoughts. It's on my chest, gotta get it off. Swear we the best, but the place is on. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. We running this music, you had a job. You unemployed, I have a job. I'm with my boys, we know facades.
My team up like an Adderall. Trying to climb up on the ladder fall. Ran through the money, yeah, I had it all. Bounced back from the loss, I ain't mad at all. I'm running this shit, I don't cap it all. Make you lame ass niggas shouldn't rap it all. Brand new design from a catalog. I don't cry when I'm hurting, I just laugh it off. Try to see me then. Got a big catalog with a VPN. Put shoes on the net, change the VPN. I got new shit breaking like CNN. Nigga, time's up. I'm feeling like Malcolm with the blinds up. You really want beef, I got time cut. You gon' need to tell so just to find that. Got a Tommy gun, got a switchblade. I was on the run, who's the kid say? Had an alley bro was in the getaway. Hopped in with money that was not a chase. Now we headed to the bay. Now we headed to the States. 40 young, we keep me safe. Predetermined by the grades. Living legend cause I'm fake.
Y'all can't mess with the catalog. Way too busy, I cannot talk. On your record, you cap a lot. With the studio, I cast the spot. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. And this our time, you can't belong. And it's my words, they rapping songs. And that's my dirt, you try to stomp. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. I'm not impressed by none of thoughts. It's on my chest, gotta get it off. Swear we the best, by the grace of God. Y'all can't mess with the catalog. We running this music, you had a job. Unemployed, I have a job. I'm with my boys, we know facades.
Yes, sir. Look, this record is entirely Fresno based. Produced by Fresno producers, mixed and mastered by Fresno people. All the artists are Fresno. Yo, we done been on Fizzler, hella multiple blogs. Fresno, make some noise! I mean, it might have went over some people's heads, but on the verse, I was like, look, check me out. I said, check the track record, I rap better than these cat members. I'm that clever, but I stack cheddar. They sleeping on me, storming Z's like the last letter. You ain't fashion, my swag's fresher, can't stand pressure. It was written like that letter, like I have feathers cause I'm that fly. This vibe is a man's pleasure. Like that's fucking bars. No mumble rap, none of that goofy shit. It's Fresno shit. I'm trying to be me. Shout out my brother, Dominus Dizzy. You already know. DJ Bambi one time. Tioga, it's all love. We out.